How to rotate your canvas in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared this arrow here so we can see which direction it's getting rotated in. And the way we do this is we have to go to the left hand side here at our toolbar, and you might not have this available, so what you can do is you can just go to these three dots which say edit toolbar, and you're gonna want to look for the last section which says navigate, and you want to look out for this icon here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little hand with an arrow and what seems to be the canvas. It says rotate view tool. You can also access it with Shift plus H, as it says. And here for me it's grayed out, which means it's already in the panel. And I found out that it's here where this looking glass icon is for the zoom. I just click on it and hold, and as you can see here is where it appears, rotate view tool. Just gonna let go of the mouse while hovering over it like this, and now I can just drag it out like this, and it will even show me in which degrees it's rotating the canvas in, like this. You can also press shift if you want a more precise rotation like this in specific increments, like that. It's very useful when you're drawing or creating digital art in Adobe Illustrator, and that's how you use it. Okay, that's how you can rotate your canvas in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.